welcome class 6 part in our e-learning class. So, am I clearly audible and visible? Kindly respond to your message. Kindly respond to message, okay. Thank you. So today we will discuss the question answers of Tarot's Reward. Take out your honeysuckle, page number 34, Tarot's Reward. The explanation part of this chapter you will get in your e-portal. Yesterday only I have uploaded 4 videos on this chapter. Yesterday it has been uploaded in your e-portal. The explanation part of Tarot's Reward. And our e-portal is just perfectly working from day before yesterday. It was having some sort of technical problems previously, but now it is working perfectly. So you will go to your e-portal and you will get the explanation part of this chapter. 4 videos you will get. And today we will discuss the question answers here, and the answers in their written form you will get in your e-portal only very soon. I will make a video where you will get the question answers of this Tarot's Reward in the written form, and I will first it will be just shown in YouTube, and from YouTube I will upload it in our e-portal. Sir, my e-portal is working all fine. Yes, it is working. Send me the practice works and assignment of English, Mathematics and Bengali. Kinjal, whom you are saying this? And this is not the place where you must be asking for this absent work or any pending works in this manner. You have to remember that this message system here is just for the communication or the conversation between the teachers and the students. So don't just get into any sort of personal discussion here. This one is I have said it before, and also this one is an official site. I have not said till now what is CACD, Toriboni. Check spelling is wrong better. So let's start. Answer the following questions. Why did Tarot run in the direction of the stream? You will get it in para number 5. So just let us try to think in this manner. While walking, Tarot felt quite thirsty, and at that time he heard a strange sound, the sound of rushing water, and he became quite astonished. He was thinking in his mind that whether ever he had seen or heard any sound of any rushing water or seen any stream in that place. So he was quite astonished, and as he was thirsty, he ran towards the direction from where the sound of this rushing water was coming. How did Tarot's father show his happiness after drinking sake? When Tarot's father, he got the sake and he swallowed only for once, his shivering stopped immediately, and he felt so delighted that to express his happiness, he danced in the middle of the floor. You can get it here. It is written that after only one swallow of the liquid, he stopped shivering and did a little dance in the middle of the floor. Now, why did the waterfall give Taro sake and others water? Taro was a very thoughtful, loving and caring child of his parents. When he heard that his father was just lamenting, or his father was longing for some sake, at that time he became quite sadder. He thought in his mind that I'm unable to earn enough money to buy some sake for my father. So this thought made him quite sadder, and also he resolved that from the next day I will work harder and I will try to earn more money. Might be the Almighty or the nature, whatever name you want to give to that power, was pleased with this sort of thinking and this sort of behavior and nature of taro. That's why the simple and plain water, it changed to magical, expensive and delicious sake for taro and remained as plain water for the greedy villages or the greedy neighbors of taro. Kinjo, sir, not pending works or answers. I need the questions. Kinjal, if you need any questions, then in that case you have to just ask to your friends. If you want them from your friends, you have to ask them personally. You cannot ask for these questions or answers through these live class message methods. Okay, this SMS system is here, or this messaging system is here only for the communication between students and teachers who are coming to take the class. Here you cannot just ask for these questions to your friends. In that case, you have to just contact with them personally. Okay, right? Okay, beta. Okay, so come to the for number 4. Okay. Come to number 4. Why did the villagers want to drown taro? Now, for this answer, we know it very well that the villagers, when they heard that taro has got this magical sake, this expensive sake, so what they thought? They just thought we must fill up the containers, whatever we are having in our house, with that sake. So with this sort of greed, they just went near that waterfall with whatever containers they were having in their home, and once they went there, they tested, one of them tested the water and found that it was not at all the sake but the plain water. So they became furious, they became very angry, and they thought that they were actually cheated. Whatever story has been narrated to them regarding this magical sake was just a damn lie or just a false notion. So they became very angry with Taro and they wanted to punish him by drowning. Number 5, why did the emperor reward Taro? The emperor heard about Taro and he felt that this boy is quite loving in nature, caring in nature, and also quite thoughtful. He loved his parents so much, that's why the nature had blessed him in this manner. And the plain water changed into magical sake for him. So he wanted to reward him for this reason. Another reason was that he wanted the other children to just behave or become alike Taro. They must also feel for their parents, they must obey and honor their parents. To encourage these children or this generation, he rewarded Taro so that it will become an example for them and they will also feel like acting like Taro. For this reason, he rewarded Taro. Now, mark the right answer. This one, children, you have to do, but remember first, listen to me first. I will read the questions, I will read all the options. Once I have completed, when I will ask for the answers, you will type the answer. Not before that. If you are typing it before I have completed or before I have asked for the answer, then I will not see. So mark the right item. Taro earned very little money because he didn't work hard enough. The villagers didn't need wood. The price of wood was very low. Now your answer. Type the answer. Vinayak is typing. Hurry up. Yes, correct, Vinayak. The price of wood was very low. 4 more people they are typing. Let me see. Shirshendu, written 2, option 2. No, it's wrong. Shirshendu. Next. People who are typing, let me see what answers I am getting. Shruti, Shukradhar, the price of wood was low. Correct answer. Shishend, Shishend, you are giving me options or what? Kinjal 3, yes, correct. Ahon, the price of wood was low. Law, what is law? Ahona, what is law? Preyoshi, option 3, Krishna, the price of wood was low. Krishna means Anunna. Aviraj 3, SK, the price of wood was very low. Yes, children, the answer is correct. Taro earned very little money because the price of wood was very low. And I am very happy that you have obeyed my instruction. Taro decided to earn extra money to live a more comfortable life, to buy his old father some sake to repair the cracks in the heart. Now your answer. Hurry up. Let me see whose answer comes first. Kinjal 2, yes, correct answer. After Kinjal, Vinayak, yes, correct. Abhiraj 2, Shishendu 2, Hari 2, okay, correct. Krishna 2. So Taro decided to earn extra money to buy his old father some sake. Number 3. The neighbor left Taro's heart in a hurry because she was delighted with the drink. She was astonished to hear Taro's story. She wanted to tell the whole village about the waterfall. Now your answer. Kinjal correct, Krishna correct, Ahona correct. But this one is wrong. Who has written 2 is wrong. The neighbor left Taro's heart in a hurry because she wanted to tell the whole village about the waterfall. Might be she was astonished to hear Taro's story, but her real motto or motive was to make the other villagers also come to know about the waterfall so that everybody can go over there. Now, working with language, strike off the words in the box below that are not suitable. Taro wanted to give his old parents everything they needed. This shows that he was thoughtful, hardworking, loving, honest, considerate, trustworthy, efficient, kind. Though according to me, all these 4 adjectives are applicable for Taro, but still then we have to choose from here the most appropriate one. Now your answer I want. Which one you will choose? Which one you will choose? Hurry up. Page number 35, number 8. No, Aviraj. It's not correct. It is applicable for him, but here we cannot. Yes, Kinjal, your answer is correct. No, Anunna, no. Vinayak, yes, correct. But according to me, we can take here 2. That this shows that he was thoughtful and loving. Only thoughtful cannot help you to just get something for somebody. Love is also required. If you are not having love for them, you will never go to toil that much. Next. This made Taro sadder than ever. This refers to a strong wind that began to blow, Taro's father's old age, Taro's inability to buy expensive sake for his father. Now your answer. Vinayak, Kinjal, correct. They were ready or what? No, Preyoshi, your answer is not correct. Hari, Ahona, SK, answer is correct. So here this refers to Taro's inability to buy expensive sake for his father. This made Taro sadder than ever because Taro's inability to buy expensive sake for his father helped him or made him sadder. Number 2. This, said the emperor, was to encourage all children to honor and obey their parents. This refers to the most beautiful fountain in the city, rewarding Taro with gold and giving the fountain his name, sending for Taro to hear his story. Your answer now. Ahona correct, Shruti correct, Vinayak correct, Kinjal not correct, Krishna correct. So this refers to rewarding Taro with gold and giving the fountain his name. This, said the emperor, was to encourage all children to honor and obey their parents. So this refers to rewarding Taro with gold and giving the fountain his name. Come to the next page, page number 36. Fill in the blanks with words from the box. Take a pencil in your hand. I will say the answers and you will write. A young woodcutter lived on a lonely hillside. A young woodcutter lived on a lonely hillside. He was a thoughtful son who worked hard but earned little money. He was a thoughtful son who worked hard but earned little money. One day he saw a beautiful waterfall hidden behind a rock. One day he saw a beautiful waterfall hidden behind a rock. He tasted the water and found it delicious. He tasted the water and found it delicious. So this one we have completed. Children, if you want me to repeat any answer for the given blanks over here, you say me, I will repeat. Otherwise it is quite easy. You want me to repeat any answer? Yes? You want me? Okay, very good. Come to the next one. Find these sentences in the story and fill in the blanks. This made Taro dash than ever. Come to para number 3. Sadder than ever. Now look, nobody is going to type all the answers at a time. Nobody will do this. Okay? This made Taro sadder than ever. Number 2. He decided to work dash than before. Again comes in number 3. Work harder than before. He decided to work harder than before. Next morning, Taro jumped out of bed dash than usual. Come to para number 4. Earlier. So next morning, Taro jumped out of bed earlier than usual. He began to chop even dash. Number 4. Para number 4. He began to chop even faster. He began to chop even faster. Next morning, Taro started for work even dash than the morning before. Come to para 10. So earlier. Next morning, Taro started for work even earlier than the morning before. So with this, we have completed this chapter, Taro's Reward. And as I have said before the class, that means before I have started the explanation, that this explanation of this chapter, better to say before I have started to discuss the question answers, I have said you that the explanation of this chapter, Taro's Reward, you will get it in your e-portal. Yesterday I have uploaded it. And today we have discussed all these question answers and other fill in the blanks and choose the correct option. And regarding your answers, you will get it in written form in my video, which will be uploaded in YouTube very soon. And from YouTube, I will upload it again in our e-portal. So from there, you can easily write down the question answers. So if you are having any doubt or question, you can ask me. Sir, please repeat number D1. D1, a young woodcutter. So my class is about to end. If you are having any doubt or query or any question, you can ask me. No doubt. DOUGHT, what is DOUGHT? SK? I don't know the meaning of this term, DOUGHT. Ananya, sir, please tell me do 2 and 3. Audible, what you are doing? I am repeating all the answers for the blanks of D. Check it once more. A young woodcutter lived on a lonely hillside. He was a thoughtful son who worked hard but earned little money. One day he saw a beautiful waterfall hidden behind a rock. He tasted the water and found it delicious. Now is it okay, Ananda? Okay children, so with this my class is getting over here only for today, and you study properly sitting at home, follow your e-portal properly, and if you are having any doubt or query you can ask me through our e-portal. And again remember this one, there is option for messaging over here, or the option for typing messages here is only for the communication purpose between the teacher and the student. It is not for your personal conversation. Remember, this one is an official site and it has been done only for your and the teacher's convenience, so that we can communicate with you people, not for personal messages. Okay children, bye. Stay at home properly. When our exam will be start, not will start better, that Harry, you will come to know about that one. It will be just uploaded in our official site. From there you can come to know. Okay children, bye.